Meeting made in USA requirements for government contracts presents challenges because sourcing materials manufactured domestically has become increasingly difficult. Many industries rely heavily on imports from countries such as Mexico, China, and Taiwan. A lack of domestic manufacturing options exists. For certain components and materials, domestic production may be limited or non-existent. This can make it difficult to find suppliers that meet the specifications and provide the necessary quantities. Ambiguous markings and mislabeling also cause issues. Some imported products may not have clear country of origin markings, or they may be labeled as assembled in the USA when only a small portion is actually made domestically. This can lead to confusion and potential non-compliance issues. The scarcity of domestic materials can result in extended lead times and higher costs, which can impact project schedules and budgets. To mitigate these challenges, contractors can consider several strategies. Firstly, conduct thorough research to identify potential domestic suppliers and assess their capabilities. Secondly, carefully inspect products for country of origin markings and be wary of ambiguous labels. Thirdly, look for opportunities to add value to imported materials through domestic processing or assembly. Fourthly, work closely with suppliers to develop solutions that meet the requirements while minimizing the use of imported components. Fifthly, explore alternative materials or components that are domestically manufactured, even if they may not meet the exact specifications. By adopting these strategies, contractors can navigate the complexities of Made in USA specifications and ensure compliance while maintaining project timelines and budgets.